The third, when you take your first bite, your mouth wakes up, your teeth break the food into small pieces, and your saliva starts the first stage of digestion. This helps your body work less later. Thunderous hooves of 20,000 cavalry shook the frozen ground at Austerlitz as Napoleon stood atop the Pratzen Heights, his heart pounding with fierce determination. The bitter December wind carried the acrid smell of gunpowder across the battlefield, while the morning fog slowly lifted to reveal the vast armies before him. The fate of Europe hung in the balance. As you swallow, the food moves down your throat through a tube called the food pipe. It pushes the food with steady waves. The food reaches your stomach. This breaks the food that mixes it with strong acid. If you are over 60 and feel back pain or stiff hips, smooth digestion can help reduce swelling in the body. It supports better movement and balance over time. Next, the thick liquid moves into the small intestine. Here, your liver and pancreas send powerful juices that break the food into tiny parts. Your intestine absorbs these tiny parts. They enter your blood and travel to every part of your body, giving you strength and steady energy. Good absorption helps older adults keep stable sugar levels and better heart health. It also improves gut strength, which supports posture and balance. The leftover waste moves into the large intestine. Water is absorbed here, and the rest prepares to leave your body. Healthy digestion keeps your body light and active, lowers swelling, supports better blood flow, and keeps your spine and hips under less stress.